I am here along with my 15 students who are participating in the course The Tibetan Way of Life, an Introduction to Nalanda Tradition. This course is the product of, or this course is one of the components of a memorandum of understanding signed between the Drepung Loselling Monastery, Mundagod, and the Goa University in the month of January 2019.
I came to this monastery, Drepung Loselling Monastery, for study meditation and Tibetan religious life. This is a very good monastery for studying meditation and day-to-day daily life, how to meditate ourselves. And this monastery is perfect institution where not for only Indian student, as far as also foreigner student to come there and study, meditate yourself, and about Buddhist religious life, and how to meditate ourselves. And also we can see that how monk people living in this institution.
This course related to the Tibetan Buddhism and Nalanda traditions was very useful for us. It was a great opportunity to us, given to us by, of course, the Drepung Loselling Monastery as well as the Department of Sociology of Goa University. Altogether, to explain the experience after coming to this place, I can just say it was marvelous and amazing. The accommodation, such as the food, the place where the rooms which were given to us, and other facilities were too good, and they had prepared well and planned well. And when it comes to teaching, we learned different aspects in Buddhism, such as we learned about different levels of meditation, then the Four Noble Truths about the suffering and salvation.
So the Four Noble Truths is a very iconic teaching. It is well known as the Buddha's first teaching, and actually what Buddhism and the whole.
And we learned about the Buddhist philosophy as well as the Nalanda tradition, which had actually originated in India. But today the Tibetan Buddhists have preserved it, and they are teaching this to the Indians, and they are spreading it, which is indeed a very good thing. And overall, it was a very great experience, especially when we had gone to the school to teach the little monks, and the behavior of the monks, the way they present themselves is too good. We taught them different subjects such as history, Konkani, which is a Goan language. We taught them about the history of Goa and many other things which they don't have in their syllabus.